Once you're working with Screencast-O-Matic and starting to make some videos, one of the great ways that you can organize your videos is by making channels. Now you can see over here on the left that I've created 3 channels. I've got one for math, one for tech tutorials, and one for reading. So all you have to do is kind of hover over to the left here where it says channels, and you can click right there where it says add channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then you can name your channel whatever you want. So maybe I want to do one for science-related videos. And you can add a description if you want. You can also even add a password if you're interested in keeping it more secure for just certain students. And then click OK. Your channels will show up in A to Z order unless you want to switch that. You can do most recent, or you can also do last updated as well. You can see here I've got some recordings that I've been doing. If I want to take one of these videos that I've already recorded and add it to one of my channels, all I have to do is hover over the video, and then I'm going to click on this icon which says Choose Channels for this screencast. I'm going to go ahead and click that icon, and then I can choose whichever channel I want to put that video in. In this case, I'm going to put it under Tech Tutorials, and then I'm going to click OK. If you want to share one of your channels with your students or anyone else, all you have to do is hover over the channel that you want to share and then click on the link button. You'll get a direct link that will take you right to that channel. You can also customize the link if you wish.